In this video, I will show you exactly how to manage your conversation history on the PolyBuzz AI platform. Many users often find themselves wondering if there is a quick way to wipe the slate clean and start fresh with all their characters at once. Based on the latest updates and discussions from the community, specifically from active users on Reddit, the current reality of the platform is a bit more manual than most people would like. Unfortunately, as of right now, there is no single button or global setting that allows you to clear all your chats in one go. This means that if you have dozens of conversations saved and you want them all gone, you will have to go through the process of deleting them individually. To do this, you need to open your chat list and select the specific conversation you want to remove. Usually, there is a trash icon or a settings menu within each direct chat that gives you the option to delete that specific interaction. It can be a tedious process if you have been using the app for a long time, but it is currently the only way to ensure your history is scrubbed. We are all hoping that the developers introduce a bulk delete feature in a future update to make things much more efficient for everyone. For now, just take it one chat at a time and manually confirm each deletion until your history is completely clear. It is a good idea to tidy up your list regularly so the task does not become overwhelming later on. Thank you so much for watching this quick guide, and stay